You know, Pradeep, you have to understand that you have some responsibilities, right? I mean, Anil has been waiting for your mail since morning and you're still investigating the issue. At least you could have updated him offline and told him that you're still working on the issue, right? See, now I have to handle all these unnecessary escalations. Cha! So the time waste.
But Raghav, the issue is complex. How can I update him without any updates?
Don't be silly, Pradeep. It's your responsibility to update on the update. Even if there's no update, you have to update that there's no update, no.
Boss, I'm resigning, boss.
Don't be silly, Pradeep. I've already handled the issue. Just send an email to Anil by EOD, okay?
Sure, boss. I mean, sure is for sending mail, but I'm still resigning.
Pradeep, this better be a joke. It's Friday evening. I'm not in the mood for all of this.
Even I wish the same, but unfortunately it is not.
என்னடா புடலங்க unfortunate? Huh? Pradeep, do you understand what you're saying? Do you realize what you're up to?
Yes, Raghav. A better career?
Better career. Do you
Raghav,
already?
no. I'm sorry, Raghav. You go
No,
ahead.
please, you go first.
No, that's fine, Raghav. Please go on.
No, I wanted to know if you already have an offer or is this a sudden decision because of my reaction to the escalation?
No, Raghav. You are like my godfather. How can I even think of getting pissed off on you?
இப்போ வெயிட்டான ஆஃபர் இருக்கு ம் See, Pradeep, I always thought that you are the next man for my chair. I mean, right now I'm sitting on a bench, but yeah, figuratively, my chair. I thought you will take the team and succeed, you know, like Dhoni took over from Ganguly, you know, அந்த மாதிரி.
I understand, Raghav. But you see, I have to look into my career path as well, right? I have financial issues. And this job offers me good hike and manager role.
Manager? Wow! So Mr. Pradeep is going to be a manager so soon. So proud of you, man. Can you tell me which company this is?
I'm sorry, Raghav. I prefer not to disclose at this point.
பட்டத்துக்கு வேறு
எங்களெல்லாம் விட்டு போறனே முடிவு பண்ணிட்டியா பிரதீப்?
தங்கத்துக்கு வேறு
I'm sorry, Raghav. I thought about this many days. It's really a tough decision, Raghav.
Just remember one thing, Pradeep. Last 6 years, so many months you were sitting joblessly on that bench. And the same CR Infotech took good care of you, know? Like a father will take care of a Vodavakara son.
பாடடி பொன்னே
So many times I have spoken for you to the management and saved you from PIP. Remember that Gokul Sandaltal project escalation?
மண்ணே
But now you want to throw everything away and go. How, Pradeep? How?
No, Raghav. Please don't remind me those. I am also getting emotional. Kindly accept my resignation and relieve me by a week time, no?
Oh. அப்போ தர 2 months notice period கூட சேவ் பண்ண மாட்டீங்களோ? We are in the middle of UAT, Pradeep. Middle of UAT. What about your work ethics?
I understand, Raghav. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have asked for notice period by you. I'll stay till UAT completion.
Ayyo, thank you so much, Maharaj. Thank you so much for all this consideration you have for your employer who's been protecting you all these years.
கனவு காணும்
What is this, Raghav? Please don't make this process difficult, no? You are my well-wisher, no?
Yes, I'm your well-wisher. That's why I'm wishing that you don't go and fall into a well, man. ஏன்டா போய் கணத்துல விழுற? What do you think? You think you will do well now? Economy is down. At that time they are hiring you, that too for a higher salary. How? They must be having some hidden agenda, no? They probably have a new project deal. As soon as that project is finished, they will fire you. You know why? Because your pay is so high. At that time, don't come back to me, man. Even I cannot save you.
But Raghav, this position is permanent, with good hype and a better role. They have global presence too. I think I need to take some risk to go to next level now. In fact, I have already submitted my resignation in the portal. Please accept that in the system and relieve me as soon as possible.
Rule ஏற்கனவே update பண்ணிட்டியா? So HR will know. Now, if I give you some problems, you can show that and use that as a weapon and escalate about me to HR. No? Well played, man. Well played.
No, Raghav. Nothing like that. I thought it's just a process, Raghav.
Enough. Hello, boss. Tell me.
Hey Raghav, what's up, man? How's it going?
Actually, I'm not in a great state of mind, but yeah, tell me, boss.
Sorry to hear that. Hey, I have a very important thing to discuss with you, man. It's very confidential, and more importantly, I need your cooperation to execute it.
Yeah, okay. You can trust me, boss. I'll do my best.
I know. Okay, listen. I got hard instructions from London. Company is not doing that great, and we have to lay off at least 10% of our workforce. I've been talking to all the managers, and when it comes to your team, we have to lay off at least one person. I know it must be really hard for you. I know your team members are top performers, blah blah blah. But you know, the situation is not that good, and we have to take a decision.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's not a good news.
Yeah. So just find a worst performer in your team and build a case against him. Make sure it's very solid. Package wise is not an issue. We can afford up to 6 months. You know.
Hamid, what do you think about laying off Pradeep?
Pradeep, hey, come on, he's your star performer. How come you're suggesting him?
Yeah, he's a good guy, but off late, no? He's having some performance issues, some focusing issues, he's not a team player, he's just got some discipline issues, you know? That kind of thing. Konja seriyilla. What do you think?
Understand, but why risk losing a performer, man?
Boss, nobody's indispensable. I mean, you can always produce performance, no?
Dude, you have no idea how big of an asset you are for the company. Okay, by the way, if you fire a performer, HR guys will ask lots of questions, no?
Boss, don't worry about it. We will not fire him. We'll make him resign. That way we can escape from the HR questions as well as we can save on the layoff package costs. Ore kallula rendu manga.
Great. Do you think he'll agree?
Boss, I'm not some ordinary Raghav. I'm results Raghav. Consider it done.
Hello Pradeep, tell me pa. You want to be relieved tomorrow itself? No problem, okay? I've already spoken to HR and...
No, Raghav. I called you to apologize. In fact, நீங்கள் சொன்ன ஒவ்வொரு வார்த்தையும் என்னை செருப்பால் அடிச்ச மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு.
What do you mean?
I spoke to the other company and rejected their offer, boss. They threatened me saying people are waiting. I said get lost. I'm not leaving CR Infotech. They thought I got some counter offer or something like that, so I'm staying back. Stupid fellows.
Oh, avanga stupid fellows. Okay, Pradeep, just tell me one thing. You already entered your resignation in the tool, right?
Yes, boss. But it's pending for your approval. If you reject it, no one will know. Thanks for opening my eyes, boss. I will always be indebted to you.
Pradeep.
Yes, boss.
I will just give you one last and final advice, okay? In corporate, once you decide something, never, ever change. Bye-bye.
Boss.
Certified rascals. Certified rascals. Certified rascals.
Gapada, pada, 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 pada,